billet front plate for M90 supercharger. It's got the Mace Engineering Teflon shaft seals in there. Put some circlips in there. I wasn't really happy with just pushing them in place and hoping they stay put. The factory Eaton ones are metal and held in with green loctite. Yeah, that looks pretty secure. And there it is with the bearings fitted and the retainer plates on. Seals are in there. Let's put some rotors in it. So that's the rotor pack final assembled. Recoated Teflon on the rotors themselves. New bearings, seals, front plate. With regards to pushing the gears back on, I just use a paper shim. I've got, it's like 4 thicknesses of A4 paper. You can tuck that between the rotors and rotate them in, and it'll jam up and it'll give you equal clearance either side of the rotors. There's actually a surprising amount of clearance between the rotors, much more than I thought there would be. I also made this little fixture block to put on the back there to support the shafts on that end, and it also gives something nice to press against in the little hydraulic press. And yeah, I put some Loctite under the gears, put them both on at the same time, used the socket to push them down in the press, and just slide them on 1 millimeter at a time in alternate, like 1 millimeter on the left, 1 millimeter on the right, 1 millimeter on the left, 1 millimeter on the right. And if you just creep them down both at the same time, with the rotors shimmed together so they're solid, it shouldn't give you any trouble putting it back together.